Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing this soft glam red lip focused makeup look right here. So I'm starting the video off with just my foundation, concealer, and my brows. I kind of wanted to keep the videos focused on the eyes and of course the main focus on the lips, which is the red lips, and that I will show you what I'm using later on in the video. But yeah, I did my brows and my foundation and my concealer, so that's all ready. I do have to set the makeup, so I'm gonna go in with a powder. So for today, the powder I'm using is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder, and we're just gonna quickly set my makeup. So I want to keep this makeup look, the main focus on the red lips. That's my main goal. But I do want my eyes to look really pretty and, I was going to say natural, but it's not really natural looking. It's just a very soft glam, but with a nice red lip look. So for my palette, I'm going to use one of my old palettes, which isn't really that old, but still, it's not like it's brand new out there. I'm sure they still sell it on their website. It's the Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors. This is the Desi X Katie Friendcation palette. If you haven't tried this already, you should definitely go out and buy one because it has really pretty colors. The shades are amazing, and I mean, they're just really pretty. Let me show you real quick what they look like. Alright, and obviously you can tell which one was my favorite color. This one, I believe they called it Just a Kiss, and that shade is beautiful. Right here. I still have a little bit around the edges, so I can still work with that and use it because I do want to use it in this look today. So we're going to take this palette and create a nice soft glam look with a main focus on the red lips. The first shade I'm diving into is Basic, and I'm just going to sweep that all over my lid, as you guys can see. Just like that, all over my lid. Using the same DS03 brush, diving into Churro, and this time just focusing it on the sockets of my eyes. So now using a much smaller brush, it's kind of frayed out, but whatever. This is by Beauté Basics. And I'm diving into this dark brown shade right here called Cheens. And I'm focusing that just on the outer corner and making like a little bit of it going on my crease, eye socket area. So now my eyes have this dark outer corner. If you don't like that look, you don't have to do that, but I do like that dark outer corner look. So I put a little bit of that dark brown on the outer corner. Now we're going back into the inner corner or the inner part of our eyelid. And that is when I'm going to dive into, did you guys notice that, by the way? Right there. The back of my earring just sitting there. That is so funny. Anyways, let me take that off. So like I was saying, now we're going back into the palette and we're diving into that almost empty Just a Kiss shade, which is right here. And before I do dive into that shade, I want to put like a nice liquid eyeshadow to not only help pop, to show that color and pop it, but also I really don't have enough of that color to begin with. So I'm going to kind of mix and marry two shades together. So the liquid eyeshadow I'm going to use is by CoverGirl. And if this looks like the Stila Magnificent Metal, liquid eyeshadow, which the Stila one, by the way, I did do a review on it. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and do so. After you watch this video, of course. But this is kind of like a dupe, I guess. If you want me to do a review on this, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you don't let me know, I probably still will do a review on it, so it doesn't even matter. But this is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Liquid Eyeshadow. And this one is in the color, in the shade. I have no idea what color it is. It just says number 1 on it. But we're going in and I'm going to place that on the inner half of my lid. And same thing on the other side. Okay, so now let that dry a little bit. You can leave it like that if you want, if you like that exhibitionist liquid eyeshadow color. But if you don't like that color, I mean, it's a pretty color, don't get me wrong. But I do want to use the Just a Kiss shade. And the Just a Kiss, honestly, it works best when you use your fingers. So I'm going to dive in with my fingers and just tap that color on right on top. So you guys see that different color right there? So that one has Just a Kiss on it. And this one, I left it alone with just the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. So you guys can pick which one you like. But I'm going to do the Just a Kiss because I've already started it. So gotta finish the work. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my mascara. I was thinking about putting on some fake lashes, but I was like, I changed my mind. So there's no fake lashes on. All I did was curl my lashes, and then I went in with my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, which is amazing, and just curled my lashes, and that's that, right? So my eye makeup look is pretty much done. If you want to use fake lashes, do what you want to do. Your face, your eyes, you do what you want to do. So now I'm gonna finish off my face, and for this soft glam makeup look, I do want to add, a soft glam bronzer shimmer look to it. So I'm gonna take my favorite bronzer, or one of my favorite bronzers. It's the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze It. Super affordable, super pretty, and I love it. So taking that, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to my face. So next I'm taking my blush, and today I'm using the Milani Romantic Rose blush. It's a very soft, like dusty rose color. Just place that right on my cheeks and just a little bit over my nose. For my highlight today, you guys, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, and I am definitely hitting pan in this Diamond Balm. I am going to use my fingers and just place that just on the tips of my cheekbone, the high points of my cheekbone. You guys see that? How it has like that nice, just elegant, effortless little shine right there. Alright, I do want to put a little bit on the upper brow area. Alright, that's looking pretty good. So you guys, it's finally the main event, and it's time for the red lip color. Today I'm going to use the Too Cool for School, which is a Korean makeup brand, and this is their red lip tint color. The best thing about this is it actually, you can leave it as like a lip tint shade if you wanted to, or build it up, make a nice, like, beautiful looking red lip. So we're using this and creating our red lips. This right here is my final look, you guys. This is my version of a nice, soft glam, red lip focused makeup look. You know what? That is actually a really good title. Hopefully when I'm editing and posting it, I remember it. But yeah, here's my red lip makeup look. A little bit of a side view, alright? Obviously, the main focus is on the lips, and I just did a nice, soft makeup eye look. You can obviously finish the look off with a nice setting spray. I'm not going anywhere because we are all quarantined and staying at home, so no setting spray for me tonight. I'm just gonna put this on, record a couple more videos because can't let this makeup look go to waste, obviously. So yeah, here's the makeup look, you guys. If you guys enjoy content like this and you do like this video, go ahead and let me know by liking the video and giving it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed and part of the Kwak fam, honestly, what are you waiting for? I hope you are subscribed, and you can do that by clicking subscribe down below, and of course click on that notification bell. That way when I upload, well, you're notified and you won't miss out. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And if you're not following me on my social media, links to that, you guys, are all down below in the description box. So go ahead and scroll your mouse down, scroll your thumb down, finger down on your phone, and links are provided for you guys. Or Just type in at guacamole21 and you will find my pages. Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, you guys. That's pretty much it. All right. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying home, and of course, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. Hopefully at home. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.